everyone. Welcome back to our channel Wall Curtains, your go-to source for all things home improvement. Today, we've got a topic that's both practical and essential: how to lower blinds. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or just moving into your first place, mastering this skill is crucial for creating the perfect atmosphere in your home. So, let's dive into our worthy guide to lowering blinds in 2024. 1. Types of blinds. First things first, it's essential to know the type of blinds you have. There are various styles, such as Venetian, roller, and vertical blinds. The method for lowering each type may differ, so let's break it down step by step. Venetian blinds. Find the twisty wand if you've got Venetian blinds with those cool horizontal slats. Give it a twist to open the slats and pull the cord down to lower them. Roller blinds. Roller blinds are as simple as it gets. Grab that chain on the side, pull it down to lower the blinds, and give it a little tug upwards when you want to raise it. Vertical blinds. For vertical blinds, find the control chain or wand. Slide it to the left or right to open it and pull it towards you to close it. 2. Quick fixes. Now let's talk about quick fixes. If your blinds aren't playing nice, here's what you can do. Stuck blinds. If they are stuck, check for anything blocking the track and make sure the cords aren't tangled. A little TLC can go a long way. 3. Maintenance tips. Keeping your blinds in top shape is a cinch. Here are some quick maintenance tips. Regular cleaning. Dust bunnies be gone. Grab a microfiber cloth and dust those blinds regularly. A clean blind is a happy blind. And there you have it, our super easy guide on how to lower blinds in 2024. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips.